Good evening, students. I'm Scientist Pina, and this is our problem for today. We're trying to find how much money it is to go from Angie's house to Monsignor Pace. We're going to start with putting the distance, the amount of miles here. So you're going to put 12.5, because that's the distance. Then we're going to plug in how many miles per gallon, which for this problem is 20. So it's 20 miles per gallon. And here we're going to put in how much it is per gallon. So you have $3.42 per gallon. And when you plug this into the calculator, your answer is $2.14. That's how much money you would spend going from Angie's house to base. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Christie. Thank you. All right, so in that problem, we were using a theoretical MPG, but now we're actually going to find out what the true MPG of your car is, not what the dealers sell you. Okay, so MPG stands for miles per gallon. Okay, so that's also saying like miles divided into gallons. So here's a quick little experiment that you can do to find out how many miles you can travel on 1 gallon of gas, or whatever. Okay, so first, you're going to go to the gas station and fill up your tank completely. All right, okay. Now before you step on the gas and travel to wherever you're going to travel, you're going to reset your odometer to 0. So, yeah. Okay, after, you're going to drive. Now that's my little car there. It's kind of like a Prius, kind of. But I'm no artist, I'm a scientist. So, exactly. Okay, so once you've driven and you're almost at empty, you're going to safely arrive back at the gas station. But remember, you have to almost be at empty. Try to be closest to the end of how much gas you have. All right, so you're going to fill up your tank again. This is a little costly, but it is very effective. You're going to fill up your tank again, and when you fill up your tank, I don't know if you notice this or you pay attention, there's a screen right there, and it says how many gallons you're putting into your car, and it's also saying how much money you're spending, how much dough you'll be paying for those gallons. But that's irrelevant. We're only going to pay attention to how many gallons you're putting in your car to refill your tank, all right? So you're going to look at that number. Once it's filled up again, take a picture of it, write it down, just keep it somewhere because we're going to use that again. All right. Then after, you're going to look at your odometer. You're going to see how much you had to travel to almost be at empty, right? Okay, so let's take it over here. What we're going to do next is divide. Divide exactly what MPG says, miles per gallon. Seriously. Okay, so you're going to divide what it said on your odometer, we'll screen blank miles, divided by how many gallons you had to put in to your car to refill it, and that's how you find out how many miles your car can travel on 1 gallon of gas. And that's all from Angie and Christy.